X5 design. Droid Life obtained a leaked image of the new handset. You'll notice that the bezels are very slim, much more so than with the Moto X4. At the top of the phone, there are two cameras either side of a speaker which is carved into an iPhone X notch at the top of the phone. A black bar at the top of the screen contains the signal and battery indicators, again very similar to the iPhone X. Presumably, the new Moto X5 will be running Android 8.0 Oreo, but the device is rumored to be ignoring Google Assistant in favors of a proprietary smart AI assistant called the Moto XPs. We're a bit surprised at this choice, partly because Google Assistant is growing significantly in terms of user recognition and partly because other Lenovo products use Amazon's Alexa Assistant. Moto X5 display and specs. Expect an 18:9 borderless display. The new Moto G6 series will also feature bigger screens, too. The Moto X4 featured a 5.2-inch IPS LCD display that used Gorilla Glass 3, while the X5 rumors seem to be pointing towards a 5.9-inch display. Could the X5 make the leap to OLED? And surely it will move beyond Full HD at that size? The Moto X4 ran a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630, so expect an upgrade to the 635 or even 845 chip this time around. Internally there was also 64 GB of onboard storage with 4 GB of memory, and we reckon we'll see that again. And USB-C was also used, so that's a no-brainer. There's no home button, so expect a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. Could this be housed within the Moto logo on the back of the handset? And could the Moto X5 have facial recognition to unlock the handset? That seems very possible with the cameras on the front. There are also dual cameras on the rear, too. Finally, the Moto X4 also featured IP68 water and dust proofing, so expect that once more.